Hello students, welcome to your Office Automation Lab for third sem IT. In the previous session, we have discussed about MS Excel. MS Excel is a spreadsheet software in which we can perform different type of calculation. We can generate chart, we can do the different scenario. And in this video class, I will perform the assignment 1 of MS Excel. So let's start. So this is the assignment 1 of MS Excel. First question is create a table student result with following condition. The heading must contain serial number, name, mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, total, average and result with the manual entry. Means the question is saying that you have to enter manually the total and average. Okay, so do the table with heading serial number, name, mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, total and average and perform the calculation manually for the first question. And in second question, use formula for total and average. So to use the formula, we have to click on the total cell, select the cell and to use any formula, we have to type first equal to symbol, in total cell, press equal to symbol and for the total we are using the sum function. I have discussed this function in previous class. Then sum, then select the range, the mark 1, mark 2 and mark 3. Select these three. Okay. Then close the bracket and press enter. So this will display the total mark of the first student. Then select the cell and drag the field handle. When it will display the plus sign, then just drag it. This will calculate total for all the 10 students. Okay, so by this way we can calculate the total mark. And the next is to find the average. Okay, so to find average, click on average cell, then click on equal to symbol and select the total mark. Okay, or you can use average function. I'm using your average function. Average, then select the range. Okay, this will display the average mark. Then select the field handle and drag it. Okay, so by this way we can generate total and average. Then the next question is find the name of the student who has secured the highest and lowest mark. Means who has secured the highest and lowest mark. We know we can find out the highest mark and lowest mark by using max and minimum function. So here I am using highest mark. So for displaying the highest mark, you just select the cell, then click on max, then select the range. I'm selecting all the mark, total mark of 10 students, the range of total mark of 10 students. Then it will display 274, that is the highest mark. Okay. Then for lowest mark, again select on the cell equal to, then minimum, then select the range of total mark. It will display the minimum mark, that is 160. Okay, but the question says that find the name of the student who had secured highest and lowest mark. Means we have to display the name of the student who have secured the highest mark and who have secured the lowest mark. So to display the name of the student who have secured highest mark, I have to use index function. Okay, then index function, then select the range. Okay, then match, then max. In max function, just select the total mark. Okay. Anshuman Panda. Panda has secured the highest mark. So again for the lowest mark, click on index. Then from which range you want to display, from the name range. Okay. Then write the match function which will match the minimum function. Then after then I will write the minimum function. Okay, minimum function use the range of total mark. Okay, comma, again the total mark and 0. Okay, you have to complete the minimum mark, then range. Okay, then 0. Okay, then it will complete the match function, then complete the index function. Poonam Sinha. Okay, Poonam Sinha has secured the lowest mark. So by this way you can print the name of highest mark and lowest mark student name. Okay. Then the next question is round the average to the nearest highest integer and lowest integer by using ceiling and floor function. So we will round up this average mark to the ceiling and to the floor. Ceiling means ceiling means above the integer, above the decimal number 91 can round up. Okay, and floor means it will round to down. Okay, so write down equal to, then use ceiling function, ceiling dot math. Okay, after that select the cell, then significance is 1. Then it will 92. Means it will round up. It goes to the up value. Okay, in floor it comes to the down value. So in floor just equal to, then floor dot math, then select the cell, comma 1, it will display 91. Okay, so by this way we can generate the ceiling and the floor function to generate the nearest integer. Okay, then drag the cell to generate the round up integer for all average value. So this way you can generate the round up integer. So for this assignment, you have to write all these steps. Okay. So let us discuss about the step. So in your record, you have to write the step. Means first question we have entered the detail, serial number, name, mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, and for the total and average we have written the formula sum and average. Write the formula. And for displaying the name, okay, the C question is find the name of the student who had secured highest and lowest mark. You have to give the formula of index. We are using three function here. Index, okay, then match, it will match to the max number or match to the minimum number. So write this formula, okay. Then the next question, to round up to the nearest integer, you are using ceiling.math and floor.math. So these are the steps we have used to generate this table. Okay, this is the output table. So draw this in the white page and write the step of first assignment. So this complete your first assignment of MS Excel. Thank you.